Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and welcome to Free Watch Face Tuesday. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got your free watch faces for Tuesday, and they are nice. You're gonna like this lineup. Now, starting off with number one. Number one is really nice, really creative by the developer. If you look in it, you can see a honeycomb theme in the background, and you also get all your step status info, heart rate, miles walked or ran. You get your steps. You also get your digital time. Now, the good thing about it for most people, there are some people that like the 24-hour time. You got that here, and you have your date and your month. Now, this is an analog watch face as well, so you do get the best of both worlds, and you get your battery info down at the bottom. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much only going to get your digital time, your date, and you're also going to get your battery info, which is still good. But for an analog watch face, this is a good look considering that it's free. And the only interactiveness you can do with this watch face is the battery. You tap on the battery, it's going to bring up your battery percentage. Other than that, this is a beautiful watch face. It's free for the take-in in the Gear Manager store. Check it out. And let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two. Now, number two is nice. I like it. The name of it is called MTH0016. It's by the same developer. Now, I'm liking the look and the layout of this watch face, especially considering that the watch face is free in the Gear Manager store. Up at the top, you're going to get your heart rate info. You come down, you're going to get 24-hour digital time. You get animated seconds as well. Now, if you look to the left, you're going to get your step info. Your battery info is going to be to the right, and straight down at the bottom, you're going to get your day and your day, along with calories burned and miles walked or ran. I thought this was a very good look for a free watch face. And if I tap on Monday, I can get my calendar, set an event. Same thing for my steps and also my battery life. And if I tap here, I can also get my heart rate info. So I thought this was a good look for a free watch face. I say add it to your lineup. You will not be disappointed. Why? Because it is free. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number three. Last but not least, watch face number three. This one is called Simple Sport 2.1. Very nice looking watch face. It's a digital watch face, and it looks just as good in always on mode as well. You're going to get your digital time. I like the design of this watch face. Now, when it's on, you get the day of the week at the top along with your date. You get your digital time. Come down, you get all your step status info, floors climbed, calories burned, distance, your steps, heart rate, and you get your battery info down at the bottom as well. And yes, it is interactive, so you can tap on your steps and go in and get more info on your step status. If you tap on the 7, you can set an alarm. If you tap on 53, the minutes, if I could tap on the right, you get your calendar. You can set an event, things of that nature. But what I like most about the watch face, if I double tap, I could change the color of this watch face to whatever it is that I'm wearing. I can color coordinate if I like. Just keep tapping. It gives you a few watch faces and all to change to. So I'm liking this one, and I thought you would too. Again, this is Free Watch Face Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. All right, you all. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Have fun. Enjoy and be safe. All right, you all. See you at the next video. Take care.